cough all the time. I'm not saying all that one in a man. Yeah, they are going so that cough and again where this cold and flu. Then when you say the other one said
Circulait.
Yes, the two corner. Two no two number 1. So can you imagine? Upon some women, this product now on your day is it over, and they all the time for years or for long. Every time they do this very
Circulait and cold and
yes, also
disappear the symptoms.
Disappear now. Here, other this is very nice. So see, now you can just test about the one go the end. So the other one, the other my daughter. Only a year on a
indigestion.
On that's a secret now. Now we are keta.
Oh yeah, they can care for
on. They normal. So yeah, can do once in a day. On one, Imana the opera laguna and they do
wow.
We're not advanced. Other quasi.
Wow. Wow. Cough disappeared. Constant cough. Wow.
Even myself, no, Morgan. Near had what I had digest. This circulate can now. The other more. This thing also because you come now test as in then I'll be taking you to if you normal and I may feel go for the other miracle and they just and they just go new.
Wow, that's wonderful.
These two.
Congratulations, man. So our testimony is in Igbo language, but I want to interpret it now. She's giving testimony of cold. Her daughter had severe cold that has been giving her cough, severe cough, and she took our cold and flu. Look at it here. Our cold and flu and Circulait. The cough disappeared. The cough disappeared after so many months of treating it.